Look no further than the 2023 Acura MDX. Best-selling third-row luxury SUV of all time. Spaciousness, does-it-all vehicle. Designed to fit your lifestyle with style. Designed to surpass expectations. Superior handling. Powerful, high performance. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: lane departure warning, panoramic roof, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, navigation system, power liftgate, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, keyless start. You deserve to experience the power and luxury of the MDX. Stop by or call us today.